So we're going to look at this outdoor TV mount for your gazebo post or any post. In this video, we mounted the gazebo TV mount or the Zebozap on a 6x6. So here we strapped it around, just one person doing it. So we are holding it with our chest. And then strapping it around the post. Same thing at the bottom. If you see, there's a little ratchet buckle protector. So you just want to align it with a ratchet buckle so that you don't scratch your post. And then the extra strap, you just bundle it and stuck it in. So now we got the adapter in. The next thing is this special mount, which is made to just click into place into the bracket adapter. So before you put that in, you just want to make sure that it is engaged, and then as soon as it goes in, it clicks and it's stuck in place and it doesn't come off. So no screwing or whatsoever to the post with this mount. Is a test. It's really strong. There's like a 150-pound test on that bracket, and now we're going to put the TV on. You put the two metal pieces on the TV, and you screw that metal piece on the TV, and then you hook it up on the bracket, and then there's safety screws at the bottom. You just want to tighten that. So the TV is done, and it swivels 360 degrees around the post. You can watch from anywhere. If you're having a barbecue, you're having people around, you want to watch sports at any height, you just need to move the TV higher. It also tilts down the TV itself, and up to 15 degrees. So you can have it wherever you want. So this is in a barbecue situation. You can do your barbecue while watching TV. So it's a very versatile mount, very good for your outdoors. So you can install the TV in a couple of minutes.